Can you write the word fridge? Fridge. Bridge. Change. Jade. Is this all words are correct? No, these all are wrong. So, instead of letter J, we are going to use GE or DGE. So, let's see when we are going to use GE or DGE. So, DGE always come after the short vowel and GE will come after the consonant or a long vowel sound. So, in fridge, here, see, here is a short sound. So, we are going to use DGE, fridge. Again, short vowel is coming. Bridge. Change. Is a consonant. After consonant, we are going to use GE. Change. So here in cage, A long sound is coming. So after long sound, we are going to use GE. Cage. So now these all are correct. So DGE always use after the short vowel and GE always use after the long vowel or after consonant. Thank you. If you like our video, please like, subscribe and share. Follow for more.